Hi, this is Jackie Phillips, and this is how to do Cinderella makeup. When doing Cinderella makeup, you want to keep a couple things in mind. And I think when we all think of Cinderella, we think of her beautiful skin with that ethereal kind of glow, and we also think of those big, beautiful eyes. So a few tips that you could definitely do when trying to do this is make sure you do a really beautiful skin on yourself. You want to do a great foundation, and then you want to use a really great powder. I love these Alice and Raphael powders. If you want to get that really beautiful glow, you use a really great powder like this one to give yourself that luminous glow, that ethereal kind of Cinderella look that she has. To finish off your look as Cinderella, all you need is a really beautiful lip gloss that's going to give you that magic sparkle to make you feel like Cinderella for a day. And that's how to look like Cinderella. For more tips, visit me on www.jackiephillips.tv.